Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, today we are starting a new course called HTML course. What is HTML? HTML is used for creating web pages. This is basically a structure to develop websites, basic structure. And uh, this course is from beginner to advanced. Everything is covered in this course about HTML. So let's get started and let's see what is HTML and its properties and how to write HTML code. So let's go. So I made slide in Canva. So one thing more, that if you want to earn money by learning short skills, so you can go to my channel Iron Tech and search playlist which name is Canva, free Canva designing course. And also you can search for Pinterest marketing course, and you can earn good amount of money on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms by learning very easy skills. So let's move towards our topic. Our topic is introduction to HTML. This is the course introduction video, and the course is from basic to advanced. So introduction to HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Some people confuse that HTML is a programming language, but not. It is just a markup language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes structure of web page. This is basically a basic structure of web page. HTML consists of series of elements. In other videos, in future videos, I will tell you what is HTML element. HTML element tell the browser how to display the content. HTML element label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. So, so guys, this is a simple HTML document. I will explain you the uh, every tag of this document. Like this is a tag HTML, doc type HTML bracket and bracket close. After that HTML bracket close, bracket start, head bracket. So move toward next slide. So now I am explaining all these. So the doc type HTML define that this document is HTML5 document. After the HTML element is the root element of HTML page. The head element contain meta information about the HTML. The title element specifies a title for HTML page which is shown in the browser title bar or in the page tab. The body element defines the document's body, and it is a container for all the visible content such as heading, paragraph, image, hyperlinks, table, list, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Guys, I know some people which are new to HTML, totally new to HTML, or a beginner, they can't understand these things, but you should stay with me, and gradually you will learn these things when I do practical. This is just an introduction video. When in the next videos we start doing practical, and you will learn easily all these things. This is a very easy language. So let's go to previous slide, and I will tell you the what is this the what are these tags. So the first tag is doc type HTML. The current version of HTML is HTML5. So if we write this tag, the browser understand that the tags the means the version of HTML is HTML5. This is for the understanding of browsing. Every tag will be written in the document. This is understand by the browser, and then browser display according to it. After that there is a head tag, but head tag is closed after the title, means that title is inside the head tag. This is also called nesting. So after that title, this tag shows the title in the browser. for example, that this introduction to HTML. This is the tab I open in my Google Chrome browser, and this is shown, this icon and text. This is shown here by putting this title tag. After that, there is a body tag. In this every tag we written is displayed on the browser screen, and after that there is HTML close tag and body close tag. So that's it for today. I hope these things are new for you, but stay tuned and you will gradually learn these things. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.